Hello students, in this video I would like to explain long answer questions from transformations which is useful for intermediate first year students. In this part I would like to explain total 7 questions. Watch both parts, 7 marks guarantee from these two parts. Watch complete video. Now let us start part 2. Let us start question number 8. If a plus b plus c is 180, then prove that cos a plus cos b plus cos c equals to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Now take LHS. LHS equals to cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Now first two terms in the form of cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d equals to cos c plus cos d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos plus, so both cos. 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c as it is. Now we have to find out cos of a plus b by 2 value. Here we have using a plus b plus c is 180, we can find cos of a plus b by 2. A plus b plus c is 180 degrees. Take a plus b now. A plus b equals to 180 minus c. Dividing with 2 on both sides. A plus b by 2 equals to 90 minus c by 2. Applying cos on both sides. Cos a plus b by 2 equals to cos 90 minus c by 2. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Therefore, 2 into cos of a plus b by 2 place we can write sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Now this is cos c once again. This cos c we can express in terms of sine. Same previous problem model. Cos c in terms of sine required here because sin c by 2 is there. So cos a, another formula we have, cos a equals to 1 minus 2 sine square a by 2. Use this formula now. So cos c equals to 1 minus 2 sine square c by 2. Write plus 1 first. 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus 2 sine square c by 2. This term. Now in these two terms here, 2 sine c by 2, 2 sine c by 2 is common. So 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 you can write outside. So now remaining terms, cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Once again this sin c by 2 you have to express in terms of AB. So sin c by 2 already is there. Sin c by 2 in terms of cos of a plus b by 2. Therefore substitute here 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Sin c by 2 place we can write minus cos of a plus b by 2. Now split numerator. 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos a by 2 minus b by 2. Next minus cos a by 2 plus b by 2. Now which is in the form of cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So this formula is 1 plus 2 sin c by 2. Here the formula is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b equals to 2 sin a sin b. This is the formula. Cos minus both sin. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b equal to sin a sin b. Therefore, here this is in the form of cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Formula 2 sin a sin b. That is 2 sin a sin b. That means a by 2. Sin b means here b by 2. So finally 1 plus 2 into 2 4 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. This is RHS. Let us start question number 9. A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Then prove that sin A plus sin B plus sin C equals to 4 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. LHS equals to sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Now first two terms which are in the form of sin C plus sin D. We have sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay. So sin C plus sin D apply here. 2 sin C plus D means A plus B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. A minus B by 2 plus sin C as it is. Now we have to find out sin of A plus B by 2 value. Already we have A plus B plus C equals to 180. From this A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Find first A plus B. A plus B equals to 180 minus C. A plus B by 2 equals to 180 by 2, 90 minus C by 2. Applying sign on both sides. Sin A plus B by 2 equals to sin 90 minus C by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, in this place you can write sin of A plus B by 2, 2 into cos C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Now, this sin C can be written as in terms of cos because here we have cos C by 2. That's why sin C in terms of cos 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2 submultiple angle formula. Sin C can be written as 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. The formula is sin A 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. So now in these two terms we have 2 cos C by 2, 2 cos C by 2 as common. So write 2 cos C by 2 common. Now remaining terms cos of A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2 is remaining. So once again here sin C by 2 you should write in terms of AB because left hand side AB is there. That's why we have to change sin C by 2 in terms of AB. Once again use A plus B plus C is 180. So A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. That implies take C first. C equals to 180 minus of A plus B. Dividing with 2 on both sides. C by 2 equals to 90 minus of A plus B by 2. Applying sign on both sides. So sin 90 minus theta will be cos of A plus B by 2. That implies 2 into cos C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 sin C by 2 place you can write cos of A plus B by 2. So now 2 cos C by 2 into this can be written as cos A by 2 plus B by 2 plus cos A by 2 minus B by 2. This is minus B by 2. So now it is in the form of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B can be written as 2 cos A cos B. That equals to 2 cos C by 2 into 2 cos A cos B. Here A is A by 2, B is B by 2. Since formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos plus. Both cos. 2 cos A cos B. So therefore that equals to 2 2s are 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. This is RHS. Let us start question number 10. If A plus B plus C equals to 2S, then prove that sin S minus A plus sin S minus B plus sin C equals to 4 cos s minus a by 2 cos s minus b by 2 sin c by 2. Start with LHS. Here a plus b plus c is 2s given. LHS equals to, here these are the first two terms, we can write the formula sin c plus sin d. First bracket treat as c, second bracket assume as d. So this is in the form of sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So 2 sin c plus d, c means s minus a, plus d s minus b by 2 into cos c minus d, s minus a minus s minus of minus b by 2 plus last term sin c as it is, that is 2 into sin s plus s 2s minus a minus b by 2. Here plus s minus s gets cancelled. Cos minus a plus b minus common a minus b by 2 plus sin c. We have 2s means what? 2s can be written as a plus b plus c given here. So 2 into sin 2s place I am writing a plus b plus c minus a minus b by 2. Now this is in the form of cos minus theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta plus sin c. We have written the formula cos of minus theta is cos theta. Now plus a minus a gets cancelled, plus b minus b gets cancelled. That equals to 2 into sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Now this sin c can be written as sin a formula. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. That is sin c can be written as 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Here formula is sin a. Sin a equals to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Now here we have 2 sin c by 2, 2 sin c by 2 common. 2 sin c by 2 common. Remaining cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2. Here this is in the form of cos c plus cos d once again. Apply cos c plus cos d formula here. 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2. Now formula cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now substitute here 2 sin c by 2. This is cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d means a minus b by 2 plus c by 2 divided by 2. Cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. A minus b by 2 minus c by 2 whole divided by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Right. That equals to 2 sin c by 2 into, here 2 LCM, 2 into cos a plus c minus b. A plus c minus b. 2 2s are 4. Numerator 2 LCM, denominator 2, total 4. Again here into cos a minus b minus c by 4. Now this a plus c can be written as, in terms of s we can convert. We have a plus b plus c equals to 2 sin c by 2 into 2 cos a plus c minus b by 4 into cos, here minus common, a minus of common, b plus c by 4. Now here a plus c can be written as this a plus c and b plus c value in terms of, you have to express in terms of s. We have a plus b plus c given, a plus b plus c is 2s given, that implies a plus c is equals to this b right in this side 2s minus b and b plus c. If you want to write b plus c, b plus c equals to 2s minus a. These two values substitute here. 2 into sine c by 2, 2 into cos a plus c place you have to write 2s minus b. 2s minus b, already minus b is there, by 4 into cos a minus this b plus c also you can write 2s minus a. 2s minus a bracket by 4. Now here 2 times 2 2s are 4 sine c by 2 into cos 2s minus b minus b minus 2b by 4 into cos here a plus a 2a minus 2s by 4. Here minus into minus plus a, so a plus a, this is 2a minus 2s by 4. Now here 2 common, so here also 2 common, minus 2 common in this. Next step, 4 into sine c by 2 into 2 common in your numerator, 2 into s minus b by 4 cos of 2 common s minus b by 4 into cos minus 2 common s minus a by 4. Now here 2 times cancel. This also 2 times gets cancelled. 4 into sine c by 2 cos s minus b by 2. Here cos s minus a by 2. Because here cos of minus theta formula, cos of minus theta equals to again cos theta. That's why finally cos 4 into cos s minus a by 2 into cos s minus b by 2 into sine c by 2. This is RHS. Let us start question number 11. If a plus b plus c equals to 2s, then prove that cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos c equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos s minus a by 2 cos s minus b by 2 cos c by 2. Start with LHS. LHS equals to cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos c. First two terms, this is in the form of cos c plus cos d. We have formula cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos plus 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Apply here. 2 cos c means first bracket s minus a plus s minus b by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. S minus a first bracket minus second bracket s minus of minus plus b by 2. So cos c minus d by 2 plus cos c as it is. Now here plus s minus s gets cancelled. Here s plus s 2s. That implies 2 cos s plus s 2s minus a minus b minus common or as it is minus a minus b by 2 into cos here minus a plus b divided by 2 plus cos c. Now here in the place of 2s we can substitute a plus b plus c given here. A plus b plus c is 2s minus a minus b divided by 2 into cos here minus common in this bracket a minus b by 2 plus cos c. Here plus a minus a cancel plus b minus b gets cancelled. We have 2 into cos c by 2. Cos of minus theta will be cos theta that is a minus b by 2 plus here this cos c can be written as, because here 2 cos c by 2 is there, that's why this cos c we can express in terms of cos c by 2, that is 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. We have formula cos a can be written as 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. So now 2 cos c by 2, 2 cos c by 2 can write common. So write 2 cos c by 2 as common here. That implies cos a minus b by 2 plus here already 2 cos c by 2 common. That's why remaining term is only cos c by 2 minus 1 as it is last. Now once again apply here. This is in the form of cos c plus cos d. Here we can apply cos c plus cos d formula once again. So that equals to 2 cos c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2. Cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2 minus 1. Now cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c by 2. Cos c plus cos d, once again I am writing cos c plus cos d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So here 2 into cos c plus d, a minus b by 2 plus c by 2 whole divided by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That means a minus b by 2 minus c by 2 divided by 2 minus 1 as it is. Last step. See once again 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Last minus 1 as it is. This is minus 1. Now 2 cos c by 2 into 2 into here 2 LCM, that's why cos a plus c minus b by 2 by 2 total, this will be 4 into cos here a minus b minus c, I am writing minus common, b plus c, this 2 into again to total, this will be 4 minus 1. So now here a plus c we can express in terms of s. We have a plus b plus c equals to 2s. Now this a plus c, take a plus c here, a plus c becomes 2s minus b, and also b plus c also can be expressed as b plus c equals to 2s minus a. B plus c is 2s minus a plus c is 2s minus b. Substitute here. Here b plus c place 2s minus a. 2 into cos c by 2 into 2 cos a plus c plus we can write what? 2s minus b. Already minus b is there, so minus b by 4 into cos a minus again b plus c. B plus c can be written as 2s minus a. 2s minus a minus minus plus a by 4 minus 1. Here a plus a will be 2a. Minus b minus 2b. So 2 times here 2 2s are 4 here. 4 cos c by 2 into cos of 2s minus 2b by 4 into cos a plus a 2a minus 2s by 4 minus 1. First I am writing minus 1 plus 4 cos c by 2 into here 2 common in this bracket. So therefore 2 into s minus b, in this minus 2 common, in this 2 common here. So cos of 2 into s minus b by 4 into cos of, in this bracket minus 2 common, so s minus a by 4. Here 2 times cancel, this also gets cancelled 2 times, therefore minus 1 plus 4 cos c by 2 into cos s minus b by 2 into cos, here cos of minus theta becomes cos theta, so s minus a by 2. Since formula cos of minus theta equals to cos theta, that's why here cos of s minus a by 2. Finally minus 1 plus, in order I am writing 4. First I am writing cos s minus a by 2 into cos s minus b by 2 into cos c by 2. This will RHS. Let us start question number 12. If a plus b plus c equals to 2s, then prove that cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos s minus c plus cos s equals to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. In this question, LHS has 4 terms. First two terms are in the form of cos c plus cos d, and second two terms also in the form of cos c plus cos d. That's why apply cos c plus cos d formula here. LHS equals to cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos s minus c plus cos s. Here we have cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d formula 2 into cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Apply here, this is cos c plus cos d, in the last two terms also cos c plus cos d. So formula 2 cos c plus d s minus a plus s minus b by 2 into cos c minus d s minus a minus s minus b by 2 plus again cos c plus cos d 2 cos c plus d s minus c plus s by 2 into cos c minus d s minus c minus s by 2. Here s plus s 2s 2 into cos 2s minus a minus b by 2 cos, here plus s minus s gets cancelled, minus a minus into minus plus b, cos of minus a plus b by 2 plus in this s plus s 2s again 2 into cos 2s minus c by 2, here ss gets cancelled, cos minus c by 2. Now in this place we can substitute 2s place, we can write a plus b plus c. Therefore 2 into cos a plus b plus c minus a minus b by 2 into cos, in this bracket here we can write minus as common, so a minus b by 2 plus again same 2s place we can substitute a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c, already minus c is there here, so minus c by 2 into cos minus c by 2 plus c minus c gets cancelled. Here a cancel, b cancel. So remaining terms are here what? 2 cos c by 2. Next step 2 cos c by 2 into cos of minus theta. This is cos of minus theta is cos theta. Next here plus 2 cos a plus b by 2. Here this is in the form of again cos of minus theta, once again cos theta. The formula is cos of minus theta cos theta. Now in these two terms 2 cos c by 2, 2 cos c by 2 common. Write 2 cos t by 2 as common. The remaining terms are cos a minus b by 2 plus cos a plus b by 2. Cos a minus b by 2 plus cos a plus b by 2. After that this can be written as 2 cos c by 2, split numerator cos a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos a by 2 plus b by 2. Now this total bracket one of the formula. Cos of a plus b plus cos a minus b is equals to 2 cos a cos b. Here a is a by 2, b is b by 2. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b equals to 2 cos a cos b. This is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 cos a cos b. Here a is a by 2, b is b by 2. Therefore, finally 2 2s are 4, cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. This is RHS. Let us start question number 13. If a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees, prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equals to minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Start with LHS. LHS equals to cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Sum of first two terms. This is in the form of cos c plus cos d. So the formula is cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d. 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c as it is. Last term. Now numerator 2 common, here also 2 common, 2 gets cancelled. That implies 2 into cos of a plus b. Here 2 gets cancelled. Similarly next, cos of a minus b plus cos 2c. Now first we can find out cos of a plus b value using a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees. Since a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees, that implies a plus b equals to 180 minus c, applying cos on both sides. So cos of a plus b equals to cos 180 minus c. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So that implies 2 into cos of a plus b value minus cos c. I am writing minus here. Minus cos c into cos a minus b. Now this cos 2c we should convert in terms of cos c, because here cos c is there. That's why cos 2c in terms of cos c, 2 cos square c minus 1. The formula is cos 2a. Cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1 using this formula. So finally I am writing first minus 1 first term as a first term, minus 1 as first term. Next minus 2 cos c into cos a minus b plus 2 cos square c. Now 2 cos c as common. I am writing minus 2 cos c as common. So minus 1 minus 2 cos c I am writing as common. That implies cos a minus b minus cos c is remaining. Now once again, in the place of minus cos c, we can substitute cos of a plus b. In this minus cos c, we can express in terms of a plus b, because here left hand side in terms of ab, that's why cos c we can express in terms of ab. So this value will be minus 1 minus 2 cos c cos a minus b. This will be cos a plus b plus cos a plus b. Now finally this is the formula. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b equals to, final answer, minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is 2 cos a cos b. Therefore this will be 2 cos a cos b. Now 2 2s are 4. Final answer is minus 1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C. This will be RHS. Let us start question number 14. Given A plus B plus C equals to 3 pi by 2, then prove that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C equals to 1 minus 4 sin A sin B sin C. So now start with LHS. LHS equals to cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Now first two terms observe this. This is in the form of cos C plus cos D. You know the formula, cos C plus cos D equals to cos C plus cos D equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now here 2 cos C means 2A plus B means 2B. C means 2A, D means 2B. So cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 means 2A minus 2B by 2 plus cos 2C as it is. Now here 2 common numerator. So 2 gets cancelled. These 2 common and cancel. Similarly here also 2 common gets. Therefore the next step is cos of A plus B into cos A minus B plus cos 2C. Now once again we have to find out cos A plus B using A plus B plus C equals to 270 degrees. So given A plus B plus C equals to 270 degrees, 3 pi by 2 means. So find A plus B value 270 minus C, applying cos on both sides. Cos A plus B equals to cos 270 minus C. Cos 270 minus theta equals to, that is, minus sin theta, means sin C. So cos of A plus B will be minus sin C. So substitute here minus 2 into sin C. Finally cos A plus B value minus 2 sin C into cos of A minus B. Now cos 2C we have to change in terms of sin, because here sin C is there, that's why this cos 2C we have to convert in terms of sin. We have formula cos 2A or cos 2C. The formula is cos 2A equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Using this formula here, cos 2C we can write 1 minus 2 sin square C. Now here minus 2 sin C, minus 2 sin C you can write common. I am writing first plus 1, next minus 2 sin C cos A minus B minus 2 sin square C. Now minus 2 sin C minus 2 sin C write as common. So 1 minus 2 sin C common cos A minus B plus already minus 2 sin C as common, that's why here remaining term is sin C plus sin C. Now what is sin C? In this place we can write sin C can be written as minus of cos A plus B here. So therefore 1 minus 2 sin C into cos A minus B plus sin C place I am writing minus of cos A plus B. Now formula is there from transformations, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B formula 1 minus 2 sin C into, this will be 2 sin A sin B. Now 2 2s are 4. Finally the last step is 1 minus 4 sin A sin B sin C. This is RHS. That's all for question number 14.